the buying of the property, just like unlike any other commodity, what you are asking is like any other purchase that we make versus what a buying of a property is. There's a lot of difference actually, because here when we are buying a property, we go for a very big investment, and it's a risk. Like we risk the whole hard-earned money into this, so it's a pretty big decision. And when it comes to emotionally and with the family connect, like with all my parents and my family, there's a lot of opinions, diverse opinions on all the aspects, right? So we'll kind of when all these things comes together, we kind of try to make a decision with which will satisfy all the needs and all the wishes of our family. So in that sense, Century has been a great a pleasureful experience for me, because there is also when I visited for buying a property, we went and visited this Century Sports Village. So that's already a done project, right? What we see there is Century has already delivered something which is in a very high quality, like so that as an example, when we saw that, so it struck to my mind, like we should have something like this, like it's a very safe investment, and it's the longevity of the investment is very high. I was not aware of Century project first place, so I was looking out for buying, and it was it's a pretty tedious task in evaluating the builder, and there's a lot more things like legality and whether we trust that builder, or so many things, right? So I was having certain options, but the pricing of those options was all not competitive, so it was like way high than whatever I could afford. So I was looking for some affordable range, as well as a trustable builder, like so when I heard about Century, I heard via newspaper communication. So when I heard about that, I just thought I'll visit. This just for me at that time, it was like just another builder. So I just came in like that. Okay. So but when I actually reviewed the previous legacy of Century, so I came to know that there's been a lot of properties in and around Bangalore which Century has delivered with excellent quality and excellent schedule as well. And for me, the brand value definitely matters, because we will have lesser hassles when we are actually going through the journey, and it's been the same experience for me as well. So from day one of this experience, the way Century team treats us, that has not changed till now. So we've been the same. So it's not like once you book the plot, you start getting your calls getting rejected or something like that. It's nothing like that. So it's been a fantastic experience, and the team is excellent and very professional. And so far the journey is really awesome.
If you're really looking for a long-term investment with the Century, yeah, I would definitely suggest that you please go for it, because you are securing yourself and as well as for your family for the future. So as you have put in your logo Century thinking ahead, that really actually you are gone for it actually. So thinking ahead always it is.